What is Swiss Choice? With Swiss Choice, Swiss offers you a wide range of additional services for more comfort and individuality. Tailor your travel experience to your own needs, before, during, and after your flight with Swiss. How about a special surprise for someone you care for? Surprise someone special, your companion, a friend, or business partner with champagne, Swiss chocolate pralines, or truffles, together with a personal greeting card for their birthday, as a wedding surprise, or just because. Our cabin crew will be happy to make this flight a memorable one. Or how about dining a la carte? Choose your favorite from 6 exquisite meals. Fancy a delicious beef burger made from finest Swiss ingredients? Your choice. Simply order your menu when you book your flight until 24 hours before departure. That's it. Tailor your journey to your preferences by choosing a special surprise or dining a la carte.